today, Ashley and I are going to try and tell what the drinks are. I can't see them, obviously. Pop straws, we're going to taste them and then guess which drink is which.
Guinness?
Yeah, we've got Guinness, Caffrey's, Coke, Coke Zero, Madry and Carlin. So we've got 6 drinks. Ooh, okay.
And a live audience.
And a live audience, yes. Loving that. Right, start this way and then I'm going to go across. Oh, it's one of the Cokes. Coke Zero, I think. I think that's Coke Zero. Oh god, it's really early. I think that's Carlin. No, changed my mind. That's Carlin, that's Madry. I think that's full fat Coke. It's really weird to go from Coke to booze and then to Coke again. Ugh. Guinness? No, I think that's Caffrey's and that one's Guinness.
Right. So you got Coke Zero.
Coke Zero, Madry, Carlin, full fat Coke, Caffrey's, Guinness.
You have 2 out of 6.
Oh my god. Yeah.
One of the Cokes. At the moment, I'm going to say full fat. It's very sugary. One of the lagers.
You could have guessed which is.
Bloody hell, the Coke Zero and Coke are very similar.
I can't tell the difference between them.
That's Coke Zero. I think. That's a big jump from Coke. I think that's Caffrey's. That's Guinness. That's Caffrey's, I think. Coke. Carlin. Coke Zero. Caffrey's. Guinness. Madry.
It was full fat Coke in a pint glass.
Yeah.
Oh, piss off! You got all 6 right!